Have you ever experienced something spooky? Have you ever experienced something
Yeah, once in my
unexplainable?
child, yes, once in my childhood, it was evening time and I was in my field. Okay. So what
Uh-huh.
happened? It was evening time and nobody was there. So
The topic is recalling a funny incident. Okay. Do you have any funny stories you want to share with me?
yes, I think yes, while I was, learning how to ride a bicycle. Okay. So instead of, instead of caring about my bicycle, I used to care about the people on the road. Okay, in childhood. Okay,
You don't want to
I
kill
was
them.
yes, I was thinking that how I will make them side when I will ride a bicycle. I was not thinking that I can control bicycle. I was thinking that I have to control the people on the road. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So what do you used to do? You used to shout, "Hey, move away from the road! Move away!" like that.
Sometime, yeah, sometime it happened. When I can't control my bicycle, I have to tell people just get aside. Okay. Anyway, otherwise I will hit you. Get
You're gonna
aside.
kill someone, probably.
Yeah.
Okay. So during your childhood days, you used to fight with your friends or something. Have you ever gotten into a fist fight? Like a fist fight?
Yes, so many often,
So
okay.
pointless.
Because yeah, yeah, childhood was childhood, so I can't control anything. I was child, so we used to have fight.
Yeah, you used to push someone. Have you ever made someone bleed?
No, I don't remember, but of course, I think yeah, I would have done it in two or three often because I was very naughtiest child in my childhood. Okay, still
Really?
on.
You were naughty?
Yes, I was naughty, and I used to play prank with my friends. So sometimes we have to get involved in quarrel, okay, because of that things.
Yeah, yeah, right. Childhood, like we do all these stupid mistakes and all that. So, have you ever had a misconception about something?
Not means
Misconception, like something that you believed as a child, oh, okay, this is like this. And then later on, you found out that, okay, it was not like that. It was stupid of me to think like that. Have you ever thought like that?
yes, so many misconception in childhood, right? Like we used to think about different things, like uh, sometimes about especially ghost. Okay,
Ghosts.
ghost. Yes. And and especially what happens, we were living in village, so somebody would have or somebody used to tell us a story that here this place, okay, ghost live in that place. So if if at night I have to pass by that road, okay, I can't pass, and even if I have to pass, I used to run very quickly from that place, okay,
I
closing my
know.
eyes, everything.
I know, I
Just
know.
like
Like, yeah. All right. So yes. So you used to be scared of ghosts as a child. Yeah. Are you still
but right
scared?
now not.
No. What do you think of it?
I think even if ghost may occur in this world, okay, it is nothing, just it is a source energy, okay, energy. So one can handle it, okay, if they will
Mhm.
find ghost, okay. If they want to handle it, yes, one can handle it.
Have you seen a ghost?
No, I haven't seen.
Have you ever experienced something spooky? Have you ever experienced something
Yeah, once in my
unexplainable?
child, yes, once in my childhood, it was evening time and I was in my field. Okay. So what
Uh-huh.
happened? It was evening time and nobody was there. Was there. So I realized, okay, still I remember that feeling. Okay. Saw, or I think it was my misconception that there was a tree, okay,
Uh-huh.
besides my field. So I saw someone came and he quickly start to climb that tree.
Quickly
Okay,
try to climb a tree.
he started to climb that tree, and I thought that it is ghost, okay, or he is ghost. And I started running from that place. I never saw behind, and I until I
Okay, that is
did
scaring
not reach my
me.
home.
That's giving me goosebumps. That was scary. Somebody running and trying to climb a tree, that's not normal.
And I was not, I think I would be 9 or 10 years old, 8, 9, 9 or 10 years old. So I don't have good memory of it, but still I remember that scary things that happened with me on that day.
Oh, okay, okay. That is scaring me as well, isn't it? Some experiences we've all had where we cannot explain what really happened. We were too young, anyways, so we don't recall
Yes.
this very well. Okay, so during your college days, have you ever had an uncomfortable situation or like a weird, awkward situation with someone?
No,
Misconception,
I
misunderstanding.
no, after high schooling or before, I think I had never such feeling or such thing.
No, like I'm talking about something like a misconception or a misunderstanding about someone, like
Hmm.
a funny incident or something related
Yeah,
to.
sometimes misconception happens. It doesn't matter what age we are, but it
Yeah,
happens. So I can't explain. Yes, I have had.
yeah, you had misconceptions and shit. Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. What else, Anand?
Mm. Nothing. So tell me about your childhood little bit, okay?
Oh no, I have a lot of things. I used to be very, very naughty as a child. I used to be very cruel. I used to be a
Cruel.
heartless, yeah, a heartless little evil Akila. What I
Oh.
used to do, now I'm laughing, but it's very cruel, okay? So I used to have a lot of fishes. I used to have
Mm-hmm.
a pond, not a pond, like a small cement pond in front of my house. We used to have an aquarium, a lot of fishes.
Mm-hmm.
So what I used to do is that I like dry fish. So these little baby fishes, right? I will
Yes,
catch
baby
little
fishes.
baby fishes. I will squeeze them like this, and I'll put them back in the water.
Oh my God. Why
And
why were you doing that?
I know, I was just crazy. I was just really crazy. And then I would take the fishes, I will squeeze them, and I will put it in the sun to dry it. And then
Oh,
I thought, okay, if I put it back in the water, they will come back alive. And then I'll put it back in the water. I used to do all these crazy things.
oh, so yes, I got. You were thinking that once again, if you put it into water, it will become alive.
I was stupid. I was so small. Really
Yes,
small I was.
yes, one can understand it.
Yeah. And I used to always beat my sister up, punch her, beat her. When I started walking, the first thing that I learned is to jump and hit my sister.
Oh my God. You learned to jump and hit your sister. Okay.
I was very naughty. Yeah, now I regret
Okay.
it. Yeah,
So your
I
sister
grew
was
up.
younger to you or elder to you?
Elder to me. She's elder to me.
Okay.
Yeah, she
After all,
was.
you used to beat her.
Yeah, you do have siblings, right? You told me.
Uh, I have two brother and a sister.
Okay. You used to fight with them.
I have never had fight with my sister, and reason is that I never lived in my own village. I was living in my maternal village, so
Okay.
I was always, and I was in childhood. I was living in hostel. So
Okay.
what happened? Yes. So I was far from my family, so I had never a fight. Whenever I used to come, I had just love with my sister
Yeah,
because
I
I
know.
used to
You were
come
so
for 2 days.
pampered because you're coming from the hostel. Oh,
Yes.
so pampered. That's nice. So, yeah. Do you miss the hostel life?
Sorry.
Do you miss the hostel life that you had?
No, I never missed it. It was cruel life, not why? Because I had, we were living like jail. Okay, I had no permission to go outside, and I was just child. Okay, I was learning in class. I was in hostel from UKG to standard fourth.
You
Okay, so
told me, I believe. Oh, that's extreme.
yeah,
Whoa.
that's extreme. I don't know why some parents, put their wards in hostel
That's
at
such
a
a
young
baby
age.
you were, and you were put in a hostel. That's bad. But then we can't blame the parents as well because the schooling would be far away, so there's no option.
Hmm. So yeah, my parents used to come after, month or 2 months, so it was really very unbearable. We were in unbearable pain. Okay, all the students who used to live in hostel. Okay, still we remember the memory that we had to face, so much difficulties in hostel,
Okay.
because we were not free, and child want to freedom
Yeah,
in
they want
childhood.
to play and they want to
Yes.
be with their parents and people, siblings.
Yeah.
That's true, isn't it? Yeah, I understand. So they took care of you, right, in the hostel. So UKG means such a baby you were. They fed you good. They took care of you.
No, actually, what was the rule there? Okay, child has to do everything on his own. Even I had to wash my clothes on such a tender age. Okay,
Oh
so yes.
but probably that's why you're very independent and very strong right now because you went
Yes,
through that.
yes, that was what I was to tell you. Okay, that yes, that situation molded me up and that made me strong.
Yeah, and then I bet you would never send your children to hostel ever. Yeah.
Yes, I think children never deserve hostel. He deserves love and care
Yes.
of their
Independence is
parents.
one thing, but sending to hostel is something else. At this young, very tender age, they need all the love and affection from
Yeah,
parents.
no, one can teach their children to be independent by living with them. It is not, needed to send him hostel to, teach him how to be independent.
That's
Because,
true.
yes, children needs love and affection. That is the most important thing that children require at
I couldn't
childhood.
agree more. I could not agree more with that. Because sometimes we see that there is child neglect. It's a topic that we can talk about another day. It's very much high in India, especially child neglect. Because
Yes.
parents would have many children, so they wouldn't be able to give exclusive attention to all the children. So the children will grow up having problems and all those kind of things.
Yes.
That's indeed. I think our session is about to end, Anand. You almost made no mistakes. You were just talking pretty fine. Talk more. Talk to everyone. What plans for the evening?
Plans for the evening, I think, yes, I will make one video today, okay? YouTube for YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah. I didn't look after that. I have to go check your videos again. What's been happening?
Yeah. Actually, I'm doing good in terms of subscribers. Every day I'm getting almost 100 subscribers right now.
Oh, interesting. That's really great. That's good.